Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to farm on Polygon, formerly known as MATIC. If you're new to DeFi, you definitely want to watch this video in its entirety because I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks along the way. Also, you'll learn exactly how I'm getting paid to take out a loan and how I'm using that borrowed money to earn a triple-digit APR. Moreover, if you're interested in joining a community of like-minded individuals in hopes of diving a little bit deeper into these protocols, or perhaps even learning about these yield farming opportunities ahead of the crowd, I'd highly recommend you guys consider joining my Discord channel. But if Discord isn't your thing, at the very least, give me a follow on Twitter. This way you can stay up to date with industry highlights in real time and also learn about the projects that I'm interested in. Both the links to my Discord channel and my Twitter profile can be found in the description below. With the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright, to get started, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your assets from Ethereum to the MATIC network. The first asset you should transfer over is MATIC, because on the MATIC network, unlike Ethereum, you're going to need MATIC to pay for transaction costs. Before you send over your assets from Ethereum to MATIC, make sure that you have your MetaMask wallet configured. In this video, I'm not going to go over how to configure your MetaMask wallet to include the MATIC network. Instead, I'll include links to the instructions in the description below. But basically, all you need to do is enter in the following parameters into your MetaMask account. And by doing so, you'll add MATIC's mainnet to the network dropdown list in your MetaMask wallet. Once you've added the MATIC mainnet, then you're going to want to come to the MATIC bridge version 2. I'll include the link to this bridge in the description below for you guys. But when you're on this bridge, you want to go ahead and select the Ethereum mainnet, because initially you're going to want to send the MATIC from your Ethereum wallet to the MATIC network address. To proceed, after you sent MATIC to your Ethereum address, go ahead and select MATIC and then click on transfer. You'll have to confirm two different transactions. The first transaction where you unlock your wallet, and the second transaction is going to actually send the MATIC from Ethereum network to the MATIC network. Based on the gas prices today, it should cost you roughly 30 to 40 bucks to send it at normal speed. Once you get the confirmation on the Ethereum network, from there it's going to take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to end up on MATIC. So don't be alarmed if you see a confirmation on the Ethereum network, but you don't see the balance updated in your MATIC wallet. Now, to see if you actually received the assets, you go over here to MetaMask, and now you switch to the MATIC mainnet, and it'll automatically show up here. And if you're wondering why this says BNB instead of MATIC, it's just because when I came to this site, it automatically configured it. And since I was connected to my BSC wallet, it automatically used BNB as a ticker. If you manually enter the parameters rather than allowing the website to do it automatically for you, you'll see MATIC instead of BNB here. Alright, once you've transferred all the assets that you plan to use on Polygon, you can then proceed to take out collateralized loans, pursue liquidity mining opportunities. For example, let's say you transferred ETH or AAVE over to Polygon and you wanted to collateralize those assets to take out a loan. Well, you could come here to AAVE, scroll down, click here on AAVE Money Market Polygon, and you can tell that you selected the right one when you have MATIC as your top option here. And because they're trying to bootstrap liquidity and activity on the protocol, they're not only going to give depositors a bonus, but they're also going to give people that decide to take out a loan a bonus paid to you guys in MATIC token. It costs about 6.43% to take out a loan, but you get paid 7.14%. So in other words, you're getting paid about 0.5% to take out a loan and die. But do remember that these APRs change based on market dynamics. So what I went ahead and did was deposit my AAVE here on Polygon AAVE, and I took out a loan denominated in USDT. When I took out that loan yesterday, the APR that they were charging was roughly 7%, and the APR that they were paying me was roughly 14%. So at that time, I was getting paid approximately 7% APR to take out a loan in USDT. Once you get that loan, you have a few options. You could take that USDT and come here to Polywhale, for example, deposit it here and get an APR of 177%. I could also take that USDT and buy some Ethereum and deposit it here. Or if I was willing to take on even more risk, I could LP in this pool, which would generate an APR of approximately 1500%. Now, obviously there's a risk to doing any of this on this protocol because it's fairly new. So if there's any sort of adverse event, you could potentially lose all your money. So whether it's this protocol or any other protocol that I'm about to show you, make sure you guys ape responsibly. As lucrative as it sounds to leverage up using a collateralized loan, if anything happens to one of these protocols and you lose the funds that you were loaned, you could lose 50% or more of the assets that you put up as collateral. Another protocol that you could deposit your funds on is Polycat. This protocol is a lot like Polywhale in that they're gonna have automated yield aggregators, and at some point they also plan to do leverage yield farming. But when it comes to the token model, the tokenomics, there are some nuances in the token that I'm not gonna cover in this video. But if you're open to taking even more risk in a protocol that just launched, then you can come over here to Polycat. They're giving triple-digit yields across the board, and they're a lot higher than Polywhale at the moment. And before you guys make any commitment, do note that they have a 4% deposit fee, which they require you to pay up front when you make the deposit. Moving along, this protocol in my mind is less riskier than the other two because it's been around since September 2020, and currently it resides on 4 different networks. And basically what BlockFi does is auto compound your yield. So for example, let's say you came over here to QuickSwap and you provided liquidity into this sell/ETH pool. You could then proceed to take your LP over here to BlockFi. BlockFi here would basically take all your yield paid to you in the Quick token, sell half for sell other half for ETH, and then deposit it here into your LP position, and by doing so, auto compounding your yield. And if you recall the Krill/USDC pair that I showed you guys earlier in the video, you guys could also deposit that LP down here and auto compound that juicy 4.13% yield that you're getting on a daily basis. So for example, if you deposited $10,000 into the Krill/USDC pool, you'd be getting paid $413 a day. Assuming that the price of both tokens remain flat, after a period of 24 hours, you would then be getting a yield of 4.13% on a balance of $10,413. Now, after watching that video, if you have any questions, inquiries, or you have any video recommendations, make sure you guys express all of that in the comment section below. And if you're looking to expedite your learning, or maybe you want to follow my moves in real time, in that case, I would encourage you guys to check out my Patreon page. Even if you join the lowest tier for $20 a month, you'll get access to all my private channels where I publish my moves in real time. And if you're looking for one-on-one access with me because you want to streamline your learning and get started on yield farming right away, then make sure to explore the services that I offer through my higher tiers. With that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is CryptoOneStop signing out. I'll talk to you folks next time. Bye.